If you're into rugged smartphones built like tanks but still want modern performance and premium features, the new Oukitel WP62 might just be your next beast of a device. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of this device. So in terms of design, the Oukitel WP62 is built tough. It is 15.3mm thick and it weighs around 370 grams. Definitely not lightweight, but that's the price of durability. The device is also crafted from premium aluminum alloy and features dual color injection molding, giving it a rugged yet modern aesthetic. The Oukitel WP62 comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And the display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, giving it extra durability against drops and scratches. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset and it runs on the Android 15 right out of the box. Now let's talk about what really makes this device stand out, which is the battery. The Oukitel WP62 comes with a massive 11,000 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts wired fast charging and also offers 7.5 watts reverse wired charging, meaning you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices. And of course, thanks to the massive 11,000 mAh battery, you could literally use this device for days on a single charge. Now speaking of photography, the WP62 features a decent camera setup. On the back, it features a triple camera setup, including a 108MP main camera, a 2MP macro lens, and an 8MP night vision sensor, perfect for outdoor adventures or low light situations. On the front, there is a 32MP selfie camera that delivers sharp and detailed shots. Now this phone supports dual nano SIM cards. Now storage and memory are on another level too. You get 16GB of RAM and up to 32GB of VRAM or RAM expansion, and a massive 512GB of internal storage with support for up to 2TB of additional expansion via microSD. Now connectivity wise, you get Bluetooth 5.2, NFC and full GPS support including GLONASS and the others. So navigation is rock solid wherever you go. It also includes FM radio, compass, a gyroscope and OTG support. For security, you get both a side mounted fingerprint sensor and Face ID. And of course, since this is a rugged smartphone, it's IP68 and IP69K rated, meaning it's fully waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to extreme conditions. It's also resistant to high pressure water jets. The device also meets military standard 810H certification, ensuring it can survive drops, shocks, and tough environments. All of this power and durability comes at a pretty reasonable price, just $350. That's an incredible deal for what you're getting. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP62 5G. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.